Here's how to convert M4A to FLAC audio. That's that FLAC file format. So all we have to do is drag our M4A files into ConvertSave, which is this awesome file converter that I created with my brother, who's a software developer. And it converts images, video, and audio. So all you have to do is go to your output, select FLAC, and then hit convert, and it saves it right next to wherever that audio came from. Or if you're saving or converting a video to FLAC, you can do the same process. I want it to be super simple so you don't have to go to these random websites anymore, and you can save yourself a ton of time and be a ton more efficient with your workflow where you can just drag and drop and convert. This does not upload anywhere. You don't have to download anything anywhere except for the software itself, I suppose. But it's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. And of course, like I said, it works for images, video, and audio. And we're working on adding a ton of new features. One of them we just added is these advanced options. Like, so per conversion type, you're going to see the tool that gets used. You're going to see the default commands that are sent to the tool. It's kind of like code going to the tool that tells it how to convert your file. And you can create your own custom commands. You can enter them here or go to the options builder and just kind of pick and choose and select the different options you want on that conversion. If you want to increase the volume, there's a volume selection. If you want to trim from a certain point in the audio to a certain point, you can do that as well. So there's a lot of different options in here, and they change. If you're doing images, you got resizing, cropping, image effects. If you're doing video, you've got frame rate and resolution and things like that, right? So there's a lot of stuff you can do here to create your own custom commands, even save them as a default command where you can just drag and drop and your custom command gets used every time. Wanted to make it as simple and quick as possible to convert files. So hopefully this helps you convert M4A files to FLAC audio or a bazillion other different conversions as well. There's hundreds of different possibilities here. That's ConvertSave. Check it out at convertsave.com or look in the description down there or the pinned comment. Hit me up in the comments down there if you check it out and let me know what you think and if it helps your workflow or not. Hopefully, you do find it valuable and efficient. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.